Hi guys, and today I will explain do will loop. Do will loop is loops. One type of loop is do will loop, and do will loop is already I will explain will loop, and already previously I'm explained so many things in core Java, and please check it out that videos. I will explain briefly in all things in if condition, object method, and so many, and I provide description. We'll check it out. And today topic is loop, and previously I will explain will loop, and today I will explain do will loop. Do will loop is a do will loop also repeated activity in some different manner. Okay, first the step is include loop executed, the condition gets evaluated. If the condition returns a true, control gets transferred the do is else it jumps to next statement after do will. And do will will explain practically. Will I'm creating Java project. I'm creating package, and package inside classes created, and I will create it do will loop, and I will write int a variable 29 int b 5 and do. b plus plus and will condition one condition, that condition is b a greater than b, a less than b is not a true condition. It's a true condition. Sorry for that. Control S. This is a do will loop syntax. This is I'm explaining it detailedly. And int a 29 b 5, and to enter the do will loop, first we print the value 5. After 5 is increasing value 6, and 6 is greater than 29. Sorry, a is greater than 6 is a that condition is true. And once more repeat activity and check the b is printed, 6 is printed, and increase the value 7, and 7 a greater than 7 is a true condition, is true. And repeat activity and system is printed 7, and 7 increase in 8, 8 is repeat activity, and 8 9 9 is repeat activity, 10 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 29. 29 is not printed, 28 is printed. These conditions are applied. And first I will control S, I will run it, and 29 is printed, and 5 to start, 28 to end. This is the repeated activity in 28 times is printed. And let's some changes in this value. I will equal to add that and Java, and 29 also printed, and I will wrong statement. I will get it that I will wrong condition is entered. This condition is wrong. Let's check it out. This condition is wrong. Only printed in the do will loop. This is the do will loop syntax. This is the do will loop. That's very easy do will loop, and I am also I'm telling that previous videos for loop do will loop, and let's check it out. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.